Hello brother, I'm making very short movies, okay? For example, this is a G1 700, okay? G1 700, okay? Now I show you the tire. And you say you want to see the axle. I don't know can you see it clearly or not, but anyway I'm trying to make it more and more clear. Yes, now this is okay. Now I'm going to the back side. The back side. All right. Back side, 4 tires. This side and 4 tires. That side. 8 tires total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. From back side, it's back portion. Back side. This is 2 tires and the 2 tires. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And one more time, maybe. From here, okay. This is fully, as you said, if you wanna fix this in the container, it's not easy. It needs a open space. This is GI 700. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is. I don't know how can we fix inside the container. That I'm not sure, because usually the skilled workers also very expensive here. Labor charge is too expensive. If you want to remove this all and fix inside the container, maybe that will be very costly. So I just let you decide what you want. Okay, this movie is over now. I'm going to the next one.